How to meditate. Let's break it down in 4 simple steps. Meditation means going within and connecting with our inner world. It is also known as breath meditation. In ancient Pali language, it is called as anapanasati. Ana means in breath, apana means out breath, sati means to be with or observe the beingness of the breath. Eyes are the doorways to your mind, and 80% of the energy is released through them. It is important to close your eyes while meditating. Similarly, we lose 10% energy from each of our fingers and our feet. Thus, we must clasp our fingers and cross our legs. If you cannot sit in sukhasana, use a comfortable chair and cross your ankles. To meditate, you have to be seated in a relaxed posture. In Sanskrit, it is called as sukhasana. You need not be in a rigid posture to meditate. It should be as easy as breathing, merely observing our breath. No chanting, no heavy breathing, no visualization. Sit in a quiet space. Cross your legs, clasp your fingers, and close your eyes. You can do this technique anytime, anywhere. If you are wondering how long to meditate daily, begin with at least the minutes of your age. For example, if you are 70 years of age, you must sit for 70 minutes minimum to meditate daily. Similarly, if someone is 35, 15 or 5 years of age, they should sit for a minimum of 35, 15 and 5 minutes every day respectively. The idea is to begin meditating at whatever age you are. You don't have to wait for a certain age or time. The right time and age is now. It is very common and okay to get thoughts while meditating. The idea is not to fight it, merely acknowledge it and let it go. With practice, you will notice the thoughts will begin to decrease and the time between two thoughts will begin to increase, leading to a no thought state gradually. Meditation is really about mindset. If you have a mindset of excuse, it would never happen. You must have clarity with thoughts and a mindset of a go-getter. Then it will happen. All we are doing is watching our incoming and outgoing breath. We need meditation today more than ever. Let's meditate to make this planet a better place. Thank you.